Welcome back to the Babelian Money Show, your go-to source for building a stronger financial future. Let me ask you a tough question. If your job disappeared tomorrow, how long could you financially survive? 1 month? 3 months? It's a scary thought, right? But here's an even scarier fact. The average person relies on just one single paycheck. Meanwhile, studies show that the average millionaire has 7 different streams of income. 7! The truth is, relying on one job is the single riskiest financial move you can make in today's world. It's like balancing your entire life on a tightrope with no safety net. But today, we're going to change that. We're going to talk about building your financial fortress, one income stream at a time. Think of your financial life like a table. A table with only one leg is incredibly wobbly. The slightest nudge, a layoff, a recession, an unexpected bill, and the whole thing comes crashing down. It's unstable and stressful. Now, imagine a table with 4 sturdy legs. You can push it, you can lean on it, you can even put a lot of weight on it, and it stays standing strong. That's what multiple income streams do for you. This isn't just some get-rich-quick fantasy. It's about bulletproofing your finances. It's about creating a foundation so solid that you can weather any economic storm without panic. This is how you gain true financial security and peace of mind. So, where do we start building these extra table legs? Let's begin with the first and most powerful one, investment income. I call this the passive leg because it's all about making your money work for you instead of you working for money. This type of income requires capital to get started, not your direct labor. 2 fantastic starting points are dividend stocks and high-yield savings accounts. With dividend stocks, you buy shares in established companies, and they literally pay you a portion of their profits, usually every quarter. It's like getting a thank you check just for being an owner. On the other hand, a high-yield savings account is your risk-free option. The bank pays you interest just for keeping your money with them, and it's a much higher rate than a traditional savings account. This is the ultimate goal, earning money while you sleep. Next up is what I call the active leg, or your service hustle. This is the fastest way to generate extra cash right now. It's all about trading your time and skills for money outside of your regular 9-to-5 job. The beauty of this is you already have skills that people will pay for. Are you a great writer? Start freelance writing. Are you an expert in your field? Offer consulting services. Even if you just have a car and some free time, you could drive for Uber or Lyft. The cash you generate from this active hustle is your rocket fuel. You can use it to cover bills, pay down debt, and most importantly, fund your passive investment leg, which will accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Now for the third leg, which is my personal favorite, the scalable leg. This is where you create digital assets. The magic here is that you build something once, and you can sell it over and over and over again forever. This completely detaches your income from the hours you work. Think about it. You could write an ebook on a topic you're passionate about, create an online course teaching a skill you've mastered, or even design t-shirts for a print-on-demand service. Once the initial work is done, these assets can generate income for you 24/7, whether you're working, vacationing, or sleeping. This is how you truly scale your wealth and buy back your time, which is the ultimate luxury. So there you have it, 3 powerful ways to start diversifying your income. Now, don't feel overwhelmed. The key is not to build all of these at once. That's a recipe for burnout. Your mission is to start with one. Pick one leg, the active hustle, the passive investment, or the scalable asset, and focus on it. Master it. Get it generating consistent income. And then, and only then, move on to building the next one. The goal isn't just more money. It's freedom. The freedom to choose your work, to spend time with loved ones, and to live life on your own terms. If you're ready to build your financial empire, brick by brick, make sure you subscribe to the Babelian Money Show. We'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.